Hey y'all, happy Sunday. I hope y'all enjoyed my montage. I did my nails. I went to the nail salon, not me, honey. Do my own damn nails. But I'm really getting better and better. I really like them. I just need to get better at shaping them. But I feel like this time I really took my time. I stopped and go, stopped and go, stopped and go. But yeah, this is it. Ciao. I'm gonna talk to y'all later though. Because I'm finna go ahead and take me a nap. I'm supposed to go to PF Change with my brother, but he must be still sleeping, which is weird because he always up early. But nonetheless, I am probably gonna take me a nap myself. I'm gonna get my daughter later in the day. And she already got uniform ironed out from last week, because last week was Spirit Week, so she didn't wear a uniform last week. She's supposed to take pictures tomorrow, but I don't know because she was feeling sick. But we'll even see if she goes to school tomorrow or not. But yeah, I will talk to y'all later. Good morning, y'all. Happy Monday. So, I'm nauseous. I feel like I'm gonna throw up. But I want to really try the Dunkin' Donuts coffee. I had it last year and it was so good. And I want to try it again. It's the cookie butter ice cream. I love anything cookie butter at this point. Like, I even be putting it on my acai bowls. I've also having a taste for that too. But like, I've been lazy of wanting to make it. Going to Dunkin' Donuts right now. I just dropped my daughter to school. It's Monday. I need this week to go by fast. Like, I'm already ready to get off work. Like, I talk on the phone at work and I deal with very, I gotta get gas. I deal with very entitled people, but like, that part be stressful sometimes. So I just really wish that today will be a good day and today will be less stressful calls. So yeah, I'm on my way to Dunkin' Donuts right now. I'm gonna get the cookie butter ice cream and I'm gonna go ahead and show y'all. Now, usually around this time it be crowded for drive-through, but I really don't feel like getting out. So, but depending on how long the line is will determine if I get out or not. I didn't place my order yet, so I do want to go walking, but I didn't put my sneakers on. So I may go walking around the neighborhood. I don't know yet, but or maybe I'll do some jump rope, something. I do want to do some type of light workout or something. But honey, that jump rope ain't no light work. All right, y'all, let's see how long the line is. Because this Dunkin' Donuts, yeah, you see? I'm not waiting in this line. That is ridiculous. I am not waiting in this line. All right, y'all. So, got the coffee. It's Cookie Butter Cold Brew. I do always do less ice. It, 3 brown sugar cookie cereal, 2 liquid cane sugars, 3 creams with the cookie butter cold foam and cookie butter crumble. That's a lot. But yeah. This thing good right here. I love the cookie crumbles. Like, it is so good. Yeah, I gotta try that drink. You ain't tried it yet. I wanted to like get a different tree this year. I had told myself like I would not buy oh, I told myself I would not buy a new Christmas tree until like I move into my own place or I buy a home. So I kind of don't want to buy one. I kind of like want to stick to that. So I might just switch up the decor of the tree or just keep the same decorations that I had last year, honestly, and just switch some things out with it, but it'll still be the same traditional red, green, and yeah, because it's Minnie Mouse and Mickey. So yeah, I might just do that. I think I should just really stick to that. But a nice tree, another tree would be nice. But I don't know yet. I probably just stick to what I know. And then I do want to like vlog, make a video about cooking, because you see the holidays is coming. Like it's November now, so Thanksgiving gonna be here soon. So I was thinking of making cooking videos of like cooking videos to prepare for a holiday, like cooking like mac and cheese, or just fall, I guess, holiday season recipes. So like mac and cheese. I want to try to make collard greens to perfect that, but I don't know. I feel like that's like an old school type of thing. For me, I feel like I tried it and I ain't like it how I made it, but I like how my mama and my brother made it. But mac and cheese for sure. Some pot roast. I never made pot roast before, so I was thinking of doing that. What else? It was something else. Oh, last year I made potato soup on TikTok and that did pretty good. So I might make that again. And yeah. So I'll probably be doing a couple of those videos in my new videos. But yeah. Child, let me go get some water and then I'm going home. And then I have work at 1:30. So I'll see y'all later. I need to get gas for real though. I'll probably get it tomorrow. I don't know. I'm just tired of making all these stops. Hey y'all, so I'm sorry I got you at a weird angle. I'm on Chipotle. So I gotta go to Chipotle. I want some coffee from Dunkin. And then I want to go to Target because they have like an early Black Friday sale. And I want to get this light switch for the Christmas tree. For my daughter. I think it'll be real cute. So I'm on my way now to Target, and then I'll swing my way back and go to Dunkin' and then Chipotle, and then I'm gonna go home and cook because honey, I'm tired. So hey, why do I think say merge and it didn't merge, bro? Yeah, so I'm gonna take you guys along with me. I just washed my hair last night, so don't mind this hanging out. So yeah, and I will see y'all later. I'm going out tonight with my cousin. We're going to ladies' night, so that I expect for that to be fun, and I can't wait. And I'm gonna do my lashes later. So yeah, I will take you guys along with me. We better go to Target and all that, and let's get this thing started. Found it after walking up and down. Y'all, I am leaving Target, and now I'm about to go to. I'm over here looking for my car, but I drove my mama's car. I'm about to go to Dunkin' now and get a cold brew. Coffee secured. And then I have points, so I got the coffee for free. Oh, yeah, well, it's already crowded in here. It's lunchtime, that's why. All right, here, turn it on. Okay, stop screaming. You like it?